Hey there, gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to share with you some quick and easy makeup routines that are perfect for busy teens on the go. Whether you're rushing to school, heading to practice, or just need to look put together in a flash, these routines have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Routine number 1. Fresh-faced and fabulous. For those mornings when you're short on time, keep it simple with a fresh-faced look. Start by applying a tinted moisturizer or BB cream to even out your skin tone and add a subtle glow. Next, swipe on a coat of mascara to define your lashes and open up your eyes. Finish off with a tinted lip balm for a natural pop of color, and you're good to go. Routine number 2. Effortless eyes. When you want to add a little more definition to your look without spending hours in front of the mirror, try this effortless eye routine. Begin by sweeping a neutral eyeshadow shade across your lids for a soft wash of color. Then, line your upper lash line with a brown or black eyeliner pencil for subtle definition. Finish off with a few coats of mascara and voila, instant glamour in minutes. Routine number 3. Speedy chic. For those days when you need to look polished in a hurry, this speedy chic routine is your go-to. Start by applying a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. Next, add a touch of blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of color. Swipe on a neutral lip gloss for a glossy finish, and you're ready to conquer the day with confidence. Routine number 4. Glowing goddess. When you want to amp up your look with minimal effort, go for the glowing goddess routine. Begin by applying a luminous highlighter to the high points of your face, such as the tops of your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. Next, sweep on a sheer wash of shimmery eyeshadow for a subtle sparkle. Finish off with a swipe of tinted lip balm for a dewy finish that screams radiance. Routine number 5. Bold brows and lashes. When you're short on time but still want to make a statement, focus on defining your brows and lashes. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and shape your brows for a polished look. Then, apply a few coats of volumizing mascara to your lashes to add length and volume. Defined brows and lush lashes will instantly elevate your look and draw attention to your eyes. Routine number 6. On-the-go glam. Finally, for those days when you need to look glam in a flash, try this on-the-go glam routine. Start by applying a multitasking BB cream or CC cream to prime, perfect, and protect your skin all in one step. Next, define your eyes with a swipe of liquid eyeliner for a bold, statement-making look. Finish off with a coat of volumizing mascara and a swipe of your favorite lip color, and you'll be turning heads wherever you go. And there you have it, lovelies. I hope you found these 3-minute makeup routines helpful for looking fabulous in a flash. Remember, beauty doesn't have to take hours. With the right tips and tricks, you can achieve a gorgeous look in no time. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.